Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually remove file from Google Drive right here. So this is the Google Drive. So I want to move file. You notice these are file right here. Press folder. So I want to remove this file from it. So I want to right click on it. Then when you right click on it, this is what it show you. Right here, move to trash. So actually click. Right, if you notice, it move right here. So this is the trash over here. I come again. Right click and come like that. You move it to the trash. If you notice, inside trash, you can actually click the trash and look in there. So this is what actually we put in the trash a while ago. Very important right here. So this is exactly our remove file right here in Google Drive. So thanks for watching. So see you in the next video.